Are you tired of lugging around a stack of heavy business cards, worried about outdated information, or losing that precious contact detail? Well, let us guide you into a new era of more efficient and eco-friendly communication. Welcome to the world of VCard QR Codes. Whether you are a freelancer, a salesperson, or a corporate representative, a VCard QR code is the quickest way to connect with potential clients or partners. All you need to do is attach your VCard QR code to your stand's work card or business card, or even just display it straight from your phone. A simple scan reveals your personal info, instantly adding you to their contacts, or initiating a call with just a tap. It's that easy. So, how can you easily create your own VCard QR code by QR Show? First, log in to QR Show. Step 1. Click on the Create QR Code and select VCard. Step 2. Choose the template you like and change the theme color. Then fill in your name, contact number, email, company, address, website, and summary. Don't forget to add your social media links. Once you are done, click Next. Step 3. Name your QR code and proceed to generate it. Step 4. Now, you can choose to customize your QR code further or download it directly for use. If you opt to customize, you can set the templates, logo, style, frame, and more to create your unique QR code. Step 5. Select the desired size and dimensions, then download and use your VCard QR code. In a few simple steps, you've created your QR code. You can update your page's content anytime without affecting the QR code. It's dynamic, so changes are easy to make. Plus, you can track how many people have scanned your QR code and their location using the statistics feature. To discover more QR code uses and stay updated, visit and bookmark QR Show. We'll share the latest examples and tutorials. See you in the next video.